guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing another review. Yes, we are. I've been purchasing some stuff as of late, and I have been trying it all out because every time I buy something new, I always have you guys on my mind. I always think, should I do a review on this product? Will my people want to know the 411? And I know that you guys do, so I try my best to bring you as many of these reviews as I can. Now, today's product spotlight is Glow Recipes Plum Plump, that's cute, Plum Plump Hyaluronic Serum. Now, this serum does cost a pretty penny, and it may look like you're not getting very much product. It does look like a very small package, but this is a full 1 fluid ounce or 30 mils, which is pretty standard for serums, especially considering what type of ingredients a particular serum has. You don't want a bigger bottle, you don't want a larger amount because it's going to take you a long time to use it all, and sometimes you have to factor in whether the potency of the ingredients are going to stand the test of time, and it will cost you 55 Canadian or 42 US. I purchased mine at Sephora, but of course glowrecipe.com also sells it too. The packaging of this product, I have to admit, is to die for. It's very cute. It is, if you can see the little detail here, this is supposed to be shaped like a plum, hence the name Plum Plump. Say that 10 times fast. That's what Glow Recipe is known for. They take one ingredient and incorporate it, infuse it into a product, and color coordinate their packaging and all of that. And it's very, very aesthetically pleasing. You're getting a glass bottle with a pump. Yes, you are getting a pump. One pump, I do say, is enough. They recommend 1 to 2, but if you are using this maybe morning and evening, as you absolutely can with any hyaluronic acid, it's perfectly fine to use this type of a serum morning and evening. 1 is going to be enough. 1 does go a long way. I don't think you're going to need 2 unless maybe if you do have a routine of taking all your skincare down your neck and onto your chest, maybe, but you should be good to go with 1. So I know a lot of you out there, if you did click on this video, you're probably a skincare lover and wanted to know not only more about this particular product, but maybe about hyaluronic acid in general. It has been blowing up on the skincare scene. So many products, so many brands are incorporating hyaluronic acid as an ingredient into their products. Now, this serum, as it says right here on the front, gives deep hydration and glow. And that's really all you need to know about hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid is what you want to put on your face if you want hydration, if you want to glow, if you want to radiate, if you want to plump. It does all that good stuff. This specific serum actually has 5 different types, 5 different molecular weights, because hyaluronic acid does have variations of weight, and the different weights are gonna coincide with how they are able to penetrate your skin. So having 5 different kinds is really good. The more types, the better, that are gonna target different parts of your skin. It does have a very light scent, but I'm telling you, it's extremely light. Probably if you don't actually hold the product up to your nose, you wouldn't even be able to smell anything, which is great for those of us with sensitivities to scent. You really can't smell a whole lot, so that's a bonus. So because I knew I was going to do a review on this product, I did a little bit of research on plums and why would Glow Recipe, of all the different fruits and vegetables out there that many skincare companies use and infuse into their products, why plum? And I figured out that one of the particular types, called the kakadu plum, actually has a tremendous amount of vitamin C in it, and actually more vitamin C than an orange. So what you're going to do with this serum, just like any other serum, you always cleanse first, tone if you do have a toner as part of your routine, then you're going to go in with your serums and you're going to go from lightest to heaviest, and then follow up with your moisturizer, sunscreen if it's the daytime. So you definitely want to make sure, especially when using a product that has hyaluronic acid in it, you use it the right way. And the best way to use products like this is to apply on damp skin. So after cleansing, you can pat your face dry lightly, but still make sure that there's some sense of moisture, and you're not going to want to dry your skin off completely. If you're one of those people that maybe gets distracted a lot, you may wash your face and then you go off into the kitchen or another part of the house to do something else, and then you come back to the bathroom to finish up your skincare routine. That's not a good thing to do when using hyaluronic acid. You need that dampness in your skin to allow the hyaluronic acid to do its thing. You're going to pump it out, pat it into your skin, and then immediately follow up with any other type of serums that you may be using. If you're using multiple serums in a routine, I suggest using the hyaluronic acid one first, then follow up with any others, and then seal it all in with a good moisturizer. That will prevent your skin from getting dried out sometimes, which can happen. I know some people think that that's crazy, that a plumping, hydrating, soothing product like hyaluronic acid could potentially dry your skin out at all. But it can, it absolutely can, and it has. Lots of people have used hyaluronic acid and sworn it off because it actually felt more drying. And I think it's really because they weren't using it in the most effective way. You really want to sandwich hyaluronic acid between other layers of moisture to get the best benefit. So that's it, guys. That's my full review on Glow Recipes Hyaluronic Serum, the Plum Plump Hyaluronic Serum. I have really enjoyed using the product. I've used hyaluronic acid for quite some time now. It's definitely one of my go-tos, especially going into the colder months of the year. I love putting on extra layers of hydration. I've learned that getting my skin to be protected against the fierce winter winds isn't about slapping on some thick, heavy moisturizer. I used to do that once upon a time, but I've learned now just putting multiple thin layers of very hydrating products on my skin works best, and hyaluronic acid products are one of the best. Please give me a thumbs up if you did enjoy the review. Let me know down below maybe some other products, newer products like this one that have come out that you would like to see me do a review on. I will make sure I make a note of that. Subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.